One more important feature of Google Gemini 3 Pro is Canvas. With the help of Canvas, you can design, you can edit the generated content. For example, here I am using a prompt to generate a friendly tone email to the team members. See here, I am selecting in the tools Canvas. Select Canvas option. With the help of Canvas, you can edit or you can design the generated content. Just click enter. So now Google Gemini 3 Pro generate content within the Canvas. In this Canvas, you can edit this content. You can design this content. For example, here, if you want to make it bold, just click or select the subject and make it a bold. Even you can make it italic, make it a bullet list. So here you can edit or you can design the generated content within the canvas. Not only that, even you can change the length of the generated content. For example, here, this is the content. Now I want to make it a very long content or very long email content. See, in the right side bottom corner, you can see the options like a change length. Just click on this change length. If you want to make it very long, you can do that. If you want to make it long, if you want to make it short, you can make it very short with these all options. For example, if I want to make it very long, just click on very long option. It automatically generates very long email to the team members. Even you can make it short or very short as well with these options. With the multiple iterations, you can generate exact words like 100, 200, 300. That is a old one. But here, with the help of Canvas, you can make it short, very short, or long, or very long. So simply, it's generated a very long email with the help of very long option. So this way, you can use Canvas to edit or design the generated content for blog posting or social media content. For any content, you can use a Canvas to edit or design the content. We are talking on the email, right? See, this Google Gemini integrated into the same ecosystem applications. For example, here in the Gmail, also Google Gemini integrated. With the help of this Gemini, you can edit or you can write emails. For example, here I selected this email. For this email, I want to reply with the help of Gemini. Just click on the Gemini and give a prompt like reply professionally to the host, declining the webinar invitation due to a scheduling conflict, but ask for the recording and suggest a follow-up call next week. So with a single click, I can able to generate replay content, a replay email with the help of Google Gemini. See, it's generated a replay email. Simply with the help of insert, you can insert this email into the replay email. Just insert. Simply, I can able to reply to the mail. Same like Google Gemini integrated in the Google Drive as well. Here I am in the Google Drive. So with the select Gemini, here you can summarize the folders. You can analyze each file in this folder. For example, if I select a file like this, now I want to make it a presentation outline content. See, with the help of Gemini, just click on Gemini, write a prompt like generate a 10-slide presentation outline based on the document. So by using this document, I want to generate 10-slide presentation outline. Just enter. So Google Gemini integrated in all Google ecosystem applications. You can use Google Gemini in their own applications. So simply Google Gemini 3 Pro generated 10-slide presentation content. Same like you can use Google Gemini in Google ecosystem applications. Let's discuss a few more things about Google Gemini 3 Pro.